Good day everyone, my name is Haras Lanoay and this is my assigned poem, Elegy written in a country churchyard by Thomas Gray. Let's begin with death and equality. The poem reflects that death is the great equalizer, whether someone is rich or poor, powerful or ordinary. All will eventually face death. It reminds us that in the end, everyone shares the same fate, and no status in life can prevent it. Gray emphasized that even those who live humble lives deserve respect and remembrance. Simple life. The poem shows appreciation for the quiet, simple life of a common people buried in a churchyard. Although they didn't achieve fame or greatness, their lives were meaningful in their own way. Gray values their hard work and modest existence, highlighting that living simply can still hold dignity and purpose. In reflection, the poem is deeply reflective as the speaker contemplates life, death, and what become of people after they are gone. It encourages readers to pause and think about the true meanings of human existence and how we will remembered. Gray uses the peaceful settings of countryside to create a tone of silence and introspection. Next is human value. Gray reminds us that every human life has worth regardless of social status or achievements. He honored the ordinary individuals raised in the churchyards, showing that their emotions, struggles, and dreams were just as real as those of the rich and famous. The poem teaches us to value each person as a human being. That's all everyone and thank you.